Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And here on the status bar, on the third position, we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. As you can see now, it is off and we've got another 3 options to choose from. Let's touch the shutter button and as you can see, this device is taking photos right after touching it. In order to set the camera timer, just tap on it and choose the one you want to use, for example 10 seconds. Now the icon has changed and let's touch the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on this device is counting down from 10 and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, for example 5 seconds. Let's tap on the shutter button. And the same situation, but now it is counting down from 5. To turn off, just tap on this icon and click on off. And it just got back to its previous state. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.